Hi, my name is Andrew Grove with Baker's Gas and Welding, and we're here today at the Baker's Gas and Welding Career Technology Lab to try out the new Multimatic 215 by Miller. The new Multimatic 215 is a multi-process unit. It does MIG, TIG, stick, and on the inside, it's new this year. They're coming out. It has all your welding parameters on the inside for MIG, TIG, and stick, stainless, aluminum, and mild steel. Pretty neat little chart. And then on the inside it comes with your extra 220 plug, because it is a 110 220 unit, and the 110 just unscrews like the other Multimatic 200. This is the Multimatic 215, just unscrews like that. You got your drive roll system, and this is where your spool of wire goes. It fits an 11-pound, up to an 11-pound spool. It's a single wheel. It's a quick select drive roll, which has 024, 030, 035 V-groove, and 030, 035 knurled V-groove for flux. For this, you're on the back of the machine. They put two gas ports. Top one's for TIG, bottom one's for MIG. Here's your on-off switch, your power cord. We got it hooked up to 110. We're gonna plug it in, try it out. And when it kicks on, takes a second for it to fire up. Input voltage is 122, it said right there at the beginning. It gives you the input voltage always at the very beginning, so if you have it hooked up to 230, it's going to tell you how many volts you have on 230. This is the process selector. Right now we're on flux cord. It has a little light to cue where you're at. It says flux cord. Right here it says, let's just scroll down, scroll back, it tells you flux cord swap cables. Got a positive, negative cable. It's showing you how to swap them to hook up for flux cord. And it gives you a recommended volts and wire feed speed for running the flux core 030 on 1/8 inch steel. If you scroll down, you get MIG stainless. It tells you 90, it's like a tri-mix, so 90, 7.5, 2.5. Tells you how to hook it up. So you have to flip-flop them again if you're on flux core. It gives you suggested parameters for that. Then you got MIG steel, which is 75-25. Once again, shows you how to hook them up. And gives you suggested parameters. Now the parameters will change when you run 230 volt as opposed to 110 volt. That's just the way Miller had programmed it. I don't know why they change per se, but as you go up, you can decrease your wire or increase the thickness of your wire. You can increase your plate steel and see as the parameters change. They go down as it gets thinner. Go up as it gets thicker. So pretty neat how they programmed it. This one's MIG steel on 100% CO2 if you're not running 75-25. Once again, shows you how to hook it up. And gives you suggested parameters for that also. Then MIG aluminum. It says use spool mate. This model I do not have a spool mate with, but it shows you how to hook it up, where to put it. And gives you suggested parameters. Gives you 4000 series aluminum. And then you can increase and decrease thickness on your wire and on your plate stock that you're welding on. If you go down, it's TIG remote use lift arc. Shows you how to hook them up. And then on this TIG output, use argon, tells you what gas. Once again, shows you how to hook them up. And if you scroll down one more, stick remote. I do have the stick leads here with me. So there's your basic function on how to run it. Let's try and see if we can play some welds with it. Before we test try out the weld, I wanted to show you guys my new gear, all in Miller gear. Got some new gloves, the new Infinity Digital Series. Right now on bakersgas.com they have a promotion running. You get a free cool band with the purchase of one of these. Perfect for your hot weather like it is today. And I got my new HD gloves, MIG welding gloves. We're going to try out. We'll see how it goes. We're going to try it out at the suggested parameters. All right, everybody ready? It's on 110 volt too. Let's see how it welds. Right now we're going to try it at the suggested parameters for the 3/16 thick steel. Running 030 wire. Stay tuned for more videos from the Baker's Gas and Welding Career Technology Lab. And once again, check out bakersgas.com, where the best deals out there in welding supplies in the industry. Stay tuned.